Okay, so we had this machine sitting here over the weekend with water in it, and I'm not seeing any leaks, so let's go ahead and test it. You can see where the water filter is here. Here's the tank. And you can see the back of the machine here. It's all dry. Nothing leaking out. Let's try running the hot water. Sometimes performing a different function will yield some different results. But yeah, I'm just not seeing anything here. These are some common sources of leaks. You can get a leak here. You can get a leak down here. It's looking good. Wish I had a way of explaining it. I know it can be frustrating to bring your machine to the mechanic and the problem can't be found. You know, I see a little bit of water here, but when I pull the tank out, but I think that's normal. You know, it doesn't leak when I tip it. Here you can see I moved the machine, and this is the spot where it was. So it's dry. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.